Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The hardware market at the beginning of 2026 is facing significant challenges for DIY enthusiasts. Similar to the GPU crisis of 2020, current prices for essential components, specifically RAM and SSDs, are surging. This inflation makes custom builds and individual upgrades increasingly expensive compared to ready-made solutions. The pre-built advantage. Because of these market conditions, pre-assembled PCs have once again become the most cost-effective entry point for high-performance gaming. By opting for a pre-built system, consumers can bypass the retail markup of individual components. Key technical specifications. GPU, Nvidia RTX 5060, 8GB GDDR7, supports the latest DLSS 4.5 technology. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5500. Storage/memory, 1TB SSD and 16GB DDR4 RAM. OS, pre-installed Windows 11. Design, modern chassis featuring transparent panels and a side-mounted I/O panel. Conclusion. For users looking for a powerful, current-gen system capable of handling modern features like DLSS 4.5 while staying under a strict budget, purchasing a pre-assembled unit is currently the most strategic financial move. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.